Hi, welcome to class. Today we're reading from Lights, Sound, Action. Today we're on chapter 4. So everybody get your books. Find chapter 4, and the way we do that is we look, table of contents. We know that we've read chapter 1, 2, 3. We're on chapter 4. Chapter 4, the title is Vibrations and Sound. We go to page 26. So, turn through your books and you find page 26. The page number is here in the upper right-hand corner. So turn until you find page 26. Vibrations and Sound, chapter 4. Oh, look, there's a great big speaker. And there we see the sound waves coming off. Let's see what we can understand about sound waves. Remember, once again, we're looking for the main idea. We're looking to find out what the main idea that the author is trying to tell us about sound waves. Let's turn the page. Oh my gosh, look at Dara. She's got her fingers in her ears. I wonder what she's trying to tell us. The students hear the sound of music. It is very loud. They cover their ears. They feel the stage move under their feet. It must be loud. Oh my. Let's turn the page. Oh, this is a telephone. Do you see these? There are waves again. Here is waves. And there's someone's ear. Something vibrates when it moves back and forth. The students felt vibrations on the stage. All sounds come from vibrations. That's interesting to know. All sounds come from vibrations. Well, look at this picture. It is an ear. It's an illustration of an ear. We see these waves, and we see the outside of an ear and the inside of an ear. Sound waves carry sound to your ears. The sound waves hit your eardrums. Your eardrums vibrate, then you hear the sound. Here's your eardrum. That's very, very interesting to know. So those sound waves travel from outside of our ear to the inside of our ear. Here's that speaker again. Here's a speaker. And look, these are also speakers. These are headphones. They go inside of our ears. The stage vibrated from the loud music. Loud sounds have tall sound waves. Quiet sounds have shorter sound waves. Oh, look, it's a guitar. These are strings. This is showing us what the sound waves look like from the guitar. You pluck a guitar string. The sound will be loud. you use more energy. You pluck a guitar string softly, the sound will be quiet. So you pluck a guitar string hard, the sound will be loud. You use more energy. You pluck a guitar string softly, the sound will be quiet. So if you do it hard, it's loud. Soft or gently, it's quiet. That's interesting. Speakers can make sounds louder. Microphones can make sounds louder. Louder sounds have taller sound waves. They have more energy. So it's that more energy part. The longer, taller the waves. Oh, look at these waves. Do you see how big these waves are? That says loud. Look, these waves are smaller, shorter. It says quiet. Sounds come from vibrations. People hear sounds when sound waves hit their ears. Sounds can be loud or quiet. Next, the class will learn more about how sounds move. Well, we learned a lot about sound today. We learned about how to make loud and soft sounds. We learned about tall waves and short waves. That's pretty interesting. We're learning a lot about sound waves. All right, we'll keep learning more. Let's see what happens next. Bye-bye.